Ross from NUMARK back here to talk about the NUMARK N4 with the Serato DJ Intro software. Serato DJ Intro is a 2-deck software, so if you're looking for a 4-deck experience, you may want to install the 4-deck virtual DJ software that was included with your N4. So if you're going to be using Serato DJ Intro, you're going to want to use the included Serato DJ Intro overlay we included in the box with the N4. Just plop that right down on the top of the unit, like so, and you're ready to go with Serato. First thing we're going to do is get into our library. You can dial through your library with the browser knob here, and by pressing the browser knob you can hop into your song selections. I'm going to load up a track here. You can see that we have decks 1, 2, 3, and 4 all have their own load buttons, so I'm going to load into track 1, and I'm going to start the music with the play button. You have total control over your software with this controller, from your EQs all the way to your tempo. Over here, we have the pitch fader, which is a full range pitch fader. This is also an adjustable pitch range, going between 8, 16, and 50 on either side. You can get some really cool stuff going with the pitch range going that far. One of the other cool features in Serato DJ Intro is the ability to key lock. Key lock will, no matter what tempo you're running at, it will retain the same key that you were playing in, no matter how slow or fast you're going. Another useful feature to DJs is the ability to loop. Here we can hit the loop in button and loop out button and create an 8-beat loop. But as you see, I cut this a little wrong. And you have the ability to change your ends and beginning points of the loop. By pressing the out button again, I can rotate the outside of the platter and get it just right. That was a little too far. Then you can take it out of loop by pressing the reloop button and let it play, or you can go back to your loop by pressing the reloop button. So this gives you the ability to really do a lot of jumps, a lot of cuts. If you want to go back to a loop you previously made when you're on the way out of a track, this can really help you out a lot. The effects in DJ Intro are really well done. You have to click on the effects button. On my first deck, I have a phaser, I have an echo, and I have a high-pass filter. All of these can be used all at the same time, which really can help you up with your breakouts and some build-ups. One of the cool effects that I like is I always hit filters, and that filter can go with a little bit of echo, and then you can take those right out together and create a big build-up. To change your effects in Serato DJ Intro, hold the shift button down and move the parameter knob over the effect. So for effect 1, I'm moving this knob with the shift button, and we can cycle through our effects: high pass filter, low pass filter, flanger, phaser, echo, and reverb. These can be put into each one of these effect slots per deck. You can have up to 3 effects running at the same time in DJ Intro on both decks. If you prefer to use the Serato software, don't forget, you can use channels 3 and 4 for external audio sources like turntables, MP3 players, CD players, or even your phone.